Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, on your laptop, you're gonna head over to your browser and you're going to search up WhatsApp Web. Click on the first link that pops up. Then you're just gonna wait for a little bit. Once you're in this page, head over to your phone. On your phone, you're gonna open up WhatsApp. From here, you're going to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then you're going to click on Link Devices. Now you're just going to click on Link a Device. Then your camera will open up and you simply scan the QR code on your laptop or PC using your phone. And once that's done, as you can see, you'll be automatically logged in on your PC or laptop. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.